Now first you know coordinate of a point, Cartesian coordinate of a point. Of a point. So how will you find the coordinate of a point? So you can see here, suppose here this is the y-axis and x-axis. Now see here, this is called the x-axis. This is called y-axis. This is positive side of x-axis. This is positive side of x-axis. I am making the point. 4, 5, then -1, -2. Then here also. You can see here this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tanvi, audio is reaching.
Yes, sir.
Now suppose coordinate of a point is given 3, 4. So here 3 is known as x coordinate. This is known as x coordinate. It's clear. And this point is called, this is called y coordinate. Where will be this point? So on x-axis it is in front of 3, and on y-axis it is in front of 4. Means where will be the position of the point? So if you see here, it will be this. This point will be 3, 4. It's clear. Here x coordinate, there is another name of x coordinate, abscissa. Abscissa. And other name of y coordinate is ordinate. Y coordinates other name is ordinate, and x coordinates other name is abscissa. This point is clear? Now see here, all the points which are situated on x-axis. All the points, you can see here, all the points which are situated on x-axis. Their x coordinate, their y coordinate is 0. जितने पॉइंट्स एक्स एक्सिस में सिचुएटेड होते हैं उनका वाई कोऑर्डिनेट क्या होता है? 0 होता है. मतलब क्या है? दैट इज कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ एनी पॉइंट on x-axis is a comma 0. किसी भी पॉइंट का कोऑर्डिनेट x एक्सिस पर क्या होता है, a comma 0. Now see here, if you see this point on x axis it is in front of 1, but on y axis it is in front of 0. Y axis में 0 कहाँ है, ये है, it is in front of 0. So what will be its coordinate? 1 comma 0. What is its coordinate? On x axis it is over the 4, but on y axis it is in front of 0. So 4 comma 0. It's clear. What will be coordinate of this point? Minus 4 comma 0. मतलब x एक्सिस पर जो भी पॉइंट होगा उसके कोऑर्डिनेट किस फॉर्म के होंगे, a कामा 0. उसका ऑर्डिनेट क्या होगा, 0 होगा. x एक्सिस पर ये कोऑर्डिनेट क्या कहलाता है, y कोऑर्डिनेट इज कॉल्ड ऑर्डिनेट. ऑर्डिनेट विल बी 0. दिस पॉइंट इज क्लियर. ये समझ में आया. Similarly, all the points which are situated on y-axis, their x coordinate, that is abscissa will be 0. उनका abscissa क्या होगा, 0 होगा. Therefore, coordinate any point on y-axis is 0 comma b. Is 0 comma b. It is clear. For example, here on x-axis, where is 0 on x-axis? X-axis में 0 क्या है, ये. So here on this point, it is in front of 0 on x-axis and in front of 3 on y-axis. So what is coordinate? 0 comma 3. Here its coordinate will be 0 comma minus 2. This point is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now answer. This is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Now say loudly.
Yes, sir.
Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now see here. Since y coordinate of every point on x-axis is 0. Therefore, equation of x-axis is y equals to 0. x-axis की इक्वेशन क्या हो जाएगी, y equals to 0. Similarly, x coordinate of every point on y-axis is 0. X coordinate of every point on y axis is 0. Therefore, equation of y axis x equals to 0. This is the equation of y axis. It's clear? So all of you remember this, that equation of x axis is this. This is the equation of x axis. Equation of x axis is this. It's clear? Equation of y axis is this. It's clear? Coordinate of any point on x axis will be a comma 0. Coordinate of any point on y axis will be 0 comma b. This you will remember. It's clear? Now see here one more thing. You see equation of any line parallel to x axis. Equation of any line parallel to x axis. Parallel to x axis. What will be the equation of any line parallel to x axis? So this I am telling you on the graph paper. You can see here. Here you can see. And this is y-axis. Just we have taken x, o, x dash, and this is y, o, y dash. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it is -1, -2, -3, -4, and it is -5. Here you can see this 1. Now all of you see here. Suppose there is a line which is parallel to x-axis. Now this is a line now see here. This is a line which is parallel to x-axis. What is the coordinate of this point? Who can tell?
Sir, 0,2.
0,2. It will be 0,2. What is the coordinate of this point? This. Who will tell?
1, sir, 1,2.
1,2 क्योंकि x में 1 के सामने y में 2 के सामने 1,2. What is 1? 1 is this much is 1, and this much is 2. I समझे? What is the coordinate of this point?
2, 2.
2, 2. Coordinate of this point,
3, 2.
Tanmeet, answer loudly.
3,
सर
2.
एलिस बता रही है.
Alice, tell loudly.
3, 2.
3, 2. It will be 3, 2. What is coordinate of this point?
-1,
सर
2.
-1,
-1, 2. इसके
-2, 2.
-2, 2. इसका
-3, -2.
-3, 2. It is clear. Now see here. Here just now I have written one thing. You can see. You can see here all the points which are situated on x-axis. Their y coordinate is 0. It's clear. उनका y coordinate क्या है? 0 होता. Therefore equation has become y equals to 0. Their equation has become y equals to 0. यहाँ पर देखो y coordinate of every point on x-axis is 0. Therefore equation of x-axis क्या हो गई है? y equals to 0. It's clear. y x-axis पर जितने भी पॉइंट हैं उनका y क्या है? 0 है. तो इक्वेशन क्या हो गई? y equals to 0. समझ में आया ना? एक्स एक्सिस पर जितने भी पॉइंट्स लाई कर रहे हैं उनकी y क्या है? 0 है. तो एक्स एक्सिस की इक्वेशन y equals to 0. So in the same way here if you see what is the y coordinate, who can tell? Y coordinate of this point. ये जो पॉइंट है इसका y कोऑर्डिनेट क्या है? चारू,
2.
what is the y coordinate of this point? -3, 2. चारू, my audio is not reaching her.
Sir, 2.
Tell loudly.
Sir, 2.
इसका y कोऑर्डिनेट क्या?
2.
इसका y कोऑर्डिनेट क्या?
Sir, 2.
और लोग भी आंसर करें क्या? और लोग नहीं क्या? इसका y कोऑर्डिनेट क्या?
2.
इस पॉइंट 2. तो जितने भी पॉइंट्स हैं उनका y कोऑर्डिनेट क्या है? 2 है. तो इक्वेशन क्या हो जाएगी इसकी? इक्वेशन इज y equals to 2. And what is 2? 2 is this distance. This distance is 2. इतनी डिस्टेंस क्या है? 2 है. ये डिस्टेंस क्या है? 2 है. Therefore equation is y equals to 2. It's clear. Similarly, if you draw another line here, What is the coordinate of this point? It is on y-axis, so it will be 0, comma, minus 4. Coordinate of this point, x में 1 के सामने, y में -4, so 1, comma, -4. इसके कोऑर्डिनेट 2, comma, -4. इसके कोऑर्डिनेट 4, comma, -4. Here this -1, comma, -4. -2, comma, -4. It's clear? This -4, comma, -4. बताओ कौन सा कोऑर्डिनेट यहां सेम है? Which coordinate is same? 0, comma, -4, 1, comma, -4, 2, comma, -4, -1, comma, -4, -2, comma, -4. So which coordinate is same?
minus
0,
4.
-4.
So what will be its equation? यहां पर सभी का y कोऑर्डिनेट -4 है, तो इक्वेशन क्या होगी?
Y equal to -4.
Y equals to -4. Y equals to -4. It's clear? And what is -4? This much distance is -4. This distance is -4. It's clear? -1, -2, -3, -4. Now see here, what will be the equation of this line? What is the equation of this line? बताओ. इसकी डिस्टेंस यहां से कितनी है? एक्स एक्सिस से कितनी है? कितनी डिस्टेंस पर है? बताएं.
3.
3
+3 या -3?
+3.
So what will be the equation?
Y equal to y equal to 3.
Y equals to 3. Equation will be y equals to 3. जितने भी पॉइंट्स इस पर होंगे सबका y कोऑर्डिनेट क्या होगा? 3 होगा. सबका y कोऑर्डिनेट क्या होगा? 3 होगा. It is clear? Now see here, what is the equation of this line? बताओ.
Y is
Equation
equals to
of
-2.
y equals to
-2.
-2. So its equation, this is -2, this distance is -2, therefore equation will become y equals to -2. It is clear? So you will remember this thing. Equation of any line, equation of any line parallel to x-axis is y equals to k. Is y equals to k. And what is k here? K is perpendicular distance of line from x-axis. K is perpendicular distance of line from x axis. K क्या है? ये चीज क्या है? K. This distance is called the K. Line की perpendicular distance from x axis. It is clear? That is called the K. This point is clear? Equation of
Yes,
any line parallel to x axis is y equals to K. What will be the y coordinate of every point? It will be K. Here y coordinate of every point on this line will be always K. इस लाइन पर जितने भी पॉइंट लाई करेंगे उनका y कोऑर्डिनेट कितना होगा? K होगा. It is clear? Now see here. After this, equation of any line parallel to x axis, y axis. You can see here. This. आ गया? Now see here. Suppose there is a line which is parallel to y-axis. Equation of line parallel to y-axis. Now I have taken this line. Now you can see here. What is the coordinate of this point? Who can tell?
2, 0.
Coordinate of this point.
So 2, 0.
2, 0.
2, 0. Here this point. बताओ.
2, 1.
आंसर जब तक नहीं करोगे हम आगे नहीं बढ़ेंगे. This point
2, 2.
2.
2,
2.
2,
2.
2. Coordinate of this point.
2, 3.
2, 3. What is the coordinate of this point?
2, -1.
2, -1. Coordinate.
2,
2,
-2.
बताओ कौन सा कोऑर्डिनेट यहाँ पर सेम है? सभी पॉइंट्स का कौन सा कोऑर्डिनेट सेम है?
2.
2.
x की y,
X.
x कोऑर्डिनेट सेम है कि y कोऑर्डिनेट सेम है?
X.
x कितना है?
2.
2 है। 2 ये चीज है ना? तो इक्वेशन क्या हो जाएगी? इक्वेशन इज x equals to 2, where 2 is its perpendicular distance from y-axis. 2 is what? Its perpendicular distance from y-axis. It is clear? Now you see here, if you draw this line, what is coordinate of this point?
-3, 0.
-3, इस पॉइंट का कोऑर्डिनेट
-3, 1.
-3, -1. Here this point
-3, 2.
-3, 2. This point
-3, 4.
-3, 4. Here this point
-3, 2. -2. -3, -2.
-3, -2. So what will be its equation? कौन सा कोऑर्डिनेट सेम है?
-3.
Y कोऑर्डिनेट सेम है कि x?
X.
So equation will be x equals to -3, and here this distance is -3. This distance is -3. -3 is what? It's perpendicular distance from y-axis. So see here, we can write here equation of any line parallel to y-axis is x equals to h, where h is what? Perpendicular distance of line from y-axis. Perpendicular distance of line from y-axis. It is clear? What is x? It is the perpendicular distance of the line from y-axis. That will be the equation of any line parallel to y-axis. This point is clear? Now see here, so all of you remember this thing. What is the equation of x-axis? Equation of x-axis is y equals to 0. It's clear. Here this thing is called the h. This distance denoted by h. This distance denoted by h. H equals to 2 here. Here h equals to -3. So equation of x-axis is y equals to 0. Equation of y-axis, x equals to 0. Equation of any line parallel to y-axis, it will be x equals to h. What is h? It is the perpendicular distance of line from y-axis, means this distance. Line ये है, y-axis ये, इनके बीच की perpendicular distance. In the